I wanted to do a follow-up video on my WeatherTech Mudflaps that I put on my pickup. It's been a little over a year now, and just wanted to show how well they've prevented what I think is some pretty serious rock chips that I would have had without them. I just got back from a 3-week elk hunting trip, and we went over I don't know how many miles of gravel roads, dirt roads, four-wheel drive roads, and I got into a little bit of everything. It was pretty dry, so there wasn't a lot of water, but we did hit some pretty good sized holes full of mud. And as you can tell there, your fender well got pretty dang muddy, but it didn't get on the paint, which is impressive, I thought. Especially the running boards. These, before the mud flaps were put on, the running boards would just be caked with all the mud that I'd pick up. So what I'll do is I'll go and wash it up, and we'll take a look at it again and see if it looks hopefully as good as it looks now, but we'll see once we get all this dirt off of it. I got her washed, got her in the shop, got her dried, got some lights up, and to be honest with you, I think it turned out pretty dang nice. This side here I went ahead and polished it out just to maybe highlight whatever chips I might have, but I think it did pretty dang good. Backside here, not sure how well you can see with the GoPro or not, but yeah, there's a couple little chips there, but heck, it's a black truck, and this is about, oh, I bet you 20,000 miles on it now. This panel here, I think it turned out real well. The plastic, I've noticed the plastic, you can see where the rocks or gravel have sort of chipped that up. But as far as the paint, it's not bad at all. A little bit more of this chipped up plastic. But I would think that's to be expected. This panel here, little ones here. A few more chips down here on the lower part of the passenger door. And I did take the time to polish this side out. I use a product, first time I've used it. It's called DIY Detail. It's a gold standard, is their brand of their polisher. I get their pads. This is the polishing pad. This is sort of the intermediate pad, and this is their wool cutting pad. Pretty nice little system, very easy to work with. Doesn't dry, doesn't get flaky or dusty, stays damp, really easy to work with. But yeah, it sure helped out the paint, because this paint got hammered on the elk hunts that I went on. In fact, I don't know if I can show you or not. Yeah, you can just see all the scratches in the panel here. Then up at this panel underneath the door handle, I went ahead and polished this just to compare it with this area here. Hard to tell. But yeah, for black, I think it turned out really nice. I'm very impressed with the protection I got from the WeatherTech Mudflaps. Well worth the investment, especially with a dark colored truck. The dressing I used on the tires and the plastic, I mean, it really brings them brand new. I just used a product called, it's 3D Ultra Protectant 706. Get it on Amazon, and I use that on all my rubber tires, any of my plastic trims. Cleans them up real nice, as you can tell. I haven't done the front set. That's what it looks like without it. And that's what it looks like with it. Nice product. But yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. If not, I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Thanks for hanging out.